Alright everyone, here we are with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. And before we jump into this chart and everything we have to discuss, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to, and we look forward to having you join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. Stay tuned. And right after that, we're going to talk about this chart and everything that has to do with Clover Health Investments. Stay tuned. If you would like to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we look forward to having you join us. Now, I talked about DARE, JAGX, and VVOS, as well as ONCS. Every single stock gave us 10% plus opportunities at some point in the day. Now, the two that performed the best were ONCS. We caught this one after it ran up and dipped, and it gave an 18% plus at its highest point. And DARE, we caught this one early on in the pre-market, giving a 12% plus opportunity in just 5 to 10 minutes after the bell. Pulled back throughout the day, gave another 5 to 10% jump here at 30 minutes to 40 minutes after the bell, and after 2 hours had passed by, or about an hour and a half, it finally bottomed out, and that was the second opportunity. Now that's why not every single stock is just going to fly off the charts right away after the bell. If not, you can't have that instant gratification expectation. If not, prepare yourself for the small opportunities that it gave, but this was the home run opportunity here. Once it finally bottomed out, it gave a 20% plus opportunity, guys. If you guys want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. Let's jump into the chart analysis of this video. So here we are with CLOV stock, Clover Health Investments. So before we jump into everything here, I do want to state to you guys that in my previous videos, I've talked about some very important indications letting us know if this was going into further weakness or actually showing strength. Now, when we saw this pull up from these lows back here at $11 and some change, and it jumped back up to 15, we thought this was strength. We wanted to see some consolidation, went into some weakness at 12, jumped up, and since June 30th, June 28th, around that area, this stock has actually broken through the 50-day moving average, and it's been in bearish territory to the downside since then. Now, we had some resistance levels and supports that we were watching, and then we also had some channels that I had formed that were key to let us know where the stock was at, and then I actually narrowed it down every single time based off the price action, right? So we had first this channel here all the way up to this channel of $15, and even up here at 14. Then as it came back down, it formed this one right here from 12 to 14 and some change, and we were looking for consolidation here or here, and if not, somewhere down here. And what happened was it broke through the $11 mark and some change, went down to the 10s. I had stated we could see this going towards the 10s, jumped back up and fell. So now in the $11 mark, it's created a new channel between $9 and some change to $11. The question is, will it consolidate here before the next catalyst that can actually take this up to the upside and form that staircase effect, right? Consolidate, jump up, jump off of this one, jump up, jump off of that one, and keep going that staircase effect to newer highs and new resistance levels. So it's so important where the stock stands right now and what is going on, because it is below $10. But if you look up analysis ratings, this is looking like an opportunity, because the lowest end of the analysis ratings still shows some upside from where the stock is sitting right now, the last time I checked, unless it's changed. But there's still investors and analysis ratings out there that point this one beyond $14 and some change. I look forward to seeing your price targets down below and how you feel about it. But let's jump into this and see what's important right now based off the chart. So the first thing is, it broke through the $10 mark yesterday, and it jumped back up to almost $11 today in the pre-market. It collapsed again, and it hit a new low today, and this is a significant low in the chart, and that is 962. If that gets broken through, this could be on its way down to newer lows and new support levels. Now, I don't have the 50-day moving average pulled up, but we are below it, and we've been below it. This has been in bearish territory for some days now, for almost about a week and a half. So if this stock continues, this is no longer in tug of war zone. If not, the bears are dominating. If it breaks through 962, the next point of reference would be down here at $9, and then after that would be all the way down to these lows of 860. Okay, if that gets to that point, if we end up in the 8s, we want to see if it consolidates at that level back accordingly before that run happened, before that squeeze. So it consolidated for a little bit. If it can consolidate here, I'm not saying that it guarantees this squeeze to happen again or a run like that, but that would be a great point of bottoming and actually showing some strength before the next catalyst that can push it upwards. Okay, if it breaks and continues to hit those lows, this could head towards $7, maybe even $6, and that's way back to the lowest points that we saw this stock hit back at the 650s and even lower. So it's very important right now, based off the chart, that the stock finds a bottom and actually starts to build some strength, whether it's in the $9, $8, but we're already below $10. We'll have to see if it can jump back up and consolidate. But right now, there is a lot of weakness, and it's showing itself as an even bigger opportunity the lower it goes, based off of analysis price targets, and also a lot of different investors' price targets. But this is my humble and honest opinion. I had stated it yesterday. I've stated in my previous videos. We could see this one head towards $10, and if it goes below it, $9 is the next support, and then $8. We're going to have to see what's going on, but the stock is in weakness. The bears are dominating, and the overall market is a little bit shaky, and it's shooken by a lot of data that's coming out, and also the uncertainty of the treasury yields going down, yet inflation seems to probably start going up, but then they say it's going down, and then there's just so much worry with the possible start of tapering or the announcement in the next Fed meeting that actually happens this month. So there's a lot of things that are a little bit rocky right now. Could be temporary, or it could be for a little while. So at the end of the day, Clover Health Investments has been growing. It's had some tremendous news attached to it when it was actually going down back in April and May, which I think is a huge move for this company, with being part of the Medicaid and Medicare programs. Okay, that's one of the biggest things that can actually add some value to Clover Health long term. I know a lot of people are looking for a squeeze overnight, but that is something to do more due diligence and research on, to understand the stock more than just because of a squeeze or Reddit forums. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Where do you think this is going to bottom out? Is this the bottom at the 970s, 960 range, or could this head towards $9, or possibly even anywhere between $8 to $9 before it bottoms out and reverses? Or if this bottomed out and this can actually start pushing upwards to newer highs and new resistance levels after this major pullback here. And this is it. We're going to consolidate at these levels. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below in the comments. As always, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. We look forward to having you join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.